In Greek philosophy, there's a story of Socrates. He has described something called Plato's cave.
V řecké mytologii je příběh o Sokratesovi, který vysvětluje Platonovu jeskyni.
So it's a beautiful story. I'm going to share it with you. All of humanity is in a very dark cave.
Celé lidstvo je ve velmi temné jeskyni
There's a light behind,
a za ním je malý zdroj světla.
and when these human beings move, they can see the shadow on the wall of the cave.
A když se lidé hýbou, vidí stíny na té zdi jeskyně.
And they think this is life.
A myslí si, že tohle je život.
That is called being trapped inside the matrix.
A to je to, co nazýváme být chycen v Matrixu.
And then a man comes from outside, a wise man.
A přijde moudrý muž zvenku té jeskyně.
The long beard, shining eyes, very happy, beautiful man comes.
Bílé vousy, zářivá pleť, velmi krásný muž.
And he tells these people, I'm sorry, this is not the life. This is just the shadow. The real life is outside. There's trees over there, there's birds over there, there's butterflies. Come outside.
A on řekne těm lidem, tohle není život, pojďte ven, venku jsou stromy, ptáci, motýly, tam je ten život.
The people in the cave say, no, thank you.
A ty lidé řeknou, ne, děkuju.
We are very happy over here.
My jsme tady velmi šťastní.
So the problem is that people, we know we are trapped in the matrix, we know it. But to go outside of the matrix takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot of madness. You have to be mad to go out of the matrix.
Ten problém je, že lidi ví, že jsou chyceni v té pasti toho Matrixu, ale to, abychom z ní vystoupili, tak vyžaduje velké množství odvahy a musíme být vyloženi jako vyburcovaní k tomu.
One more story, a very interesting one, of a monkey living in the forest. This is also the same story of the matrix, of understanding that you need to do something but not doing it. The same story.
Ještě mám jeden příběh o opici v pralese, která vlastně taky popisuje ten stejný princip.
There's a monkey in the forest with a very happy family, nice son, beautiful daughters, very sexy wife. He's a very happy monkey.
Byla jednou jedna opice s krásnou rodinou v pralese, úplně žila šťastný život.
One day he sees a pot and he sees a banana in the pot.
Jeden den viděla hrnec a viděla v něm banán.
He puts his hand inside the pot,
Dala do něj ruku,
he holds the banana
chytla banán
and he tries to take his hand out.
a chtěla vyndat tu ruku,
But he can't take his hand out.
ale nemohla.
He knows if he lets go of the banana, he can take his hand out. But he doesn't want to let go of the banana.
Ale věděla, že může tu ruku vyndat, ale musí pustit ten banán, jenže nechtěla pustit ten
And
banán.
then he sees four men from the city coming with sticks and the chain to tie him. He can see them walking and they're coming towards him. He knows they're going to catch him.
A viděla přicházet 4 lidi z města s holema a s řetězama a věděla, že jdou chytit, ale prostě držela ten banán.
And he really tries to, get the banana out, but he cannot get the banana out.
A snažila se ten banán vyndat, ale prostě to nemohla udělat.
Because he knows who those men are. He knows that if they catch him, they will try a sting around his neck, they will make him dance, they will not give him food, he will lose his wife, he will lose his children, he will lose his whole life, but he does not let go of the banana.
A věděla, že když přijdou ti muži, taky svážou a ztratí celý ten svůj život, ztratí celou rodinu v džungli, ale prostě nechtěla pustit ten banán.
So of course they come, they catch him, they put a string around his neck and they take him away. His life is finished.
Takže samozřejmě přišli, chytli tu opici a vzali ji pryč a její život.
So human beings are something like that.